Okay, we're having some charging dito sa Istanbul Airport. We just checked in 30 minutes ago. So what we did, yung mga sobra na euro saka lira, no? Pina-exchange namin ng dollar. Kasi pagdating sa Pilipinas, hindi na magagamit yun masyado, no? We use dollar. That's just a quick tour dito sa Istanbul Airport. Ito yung features para makita nyo. Dito yung Turkish Airlines. We'll be taking the Turkish Airlines boarding at 1:30 AM. Maaga pa ngayon. Ngayon mga time check mga 9:30. So early kami, no? So we ended up our driving tour. 5 days, no? Driving in the countrysides of Turkey. It was a very good experience, no? I have an idea on the driving style here in Istanbul, which is relatively aggressive. Dito tayo sa area, no? Sa open area pa ng check-in. Anytime you'll be entering yung immigration, ikot na muna ako para you have an idea yung facilities mismo dito sa airport. It's big, no? It's huge. Organized. Kanina pina-open yung bag ko kasi this is domestic departures, no? Domestic. Doon naman kami sa kabila sa international. Pharmacy. Let's check kung anong mabili natin doon. Now we're going sa area ng pharmacy. So this is domestic departures. Let us see if we can buy some meds for toothache. Mabuti may pharmacy pala dito. These are mga check-in counters nila, no? Sa D. Let's see, D. Okay, this is ayan. Laki, no? Tingnan mo sa taas, oh. Impressive. Sa taas. Normally tayo dito sa mga Pinoy, mag-jacket tayo kasi malamig. Malamig dito sa Istanbul. Let's just check dito sa pharmacy. This area. Malaki, impressive. So pharmacy. Let's buy some for toothache. May masakit yung ngipin ko eh. Na open up yung pasta. Okay. Okay.